Hey everyone, Larissa with Kintone Customer Success here. Today we'll cover our self-guided resources and all you need to know about contacting live Kintone support. So first we'll review our self-guided help. So you may receive faster support by contacting your company's administrator or by checking out the following resources. So first we have our Kintone Help Center. So this is for inquiries about general platform features. Then we have the Developer Network. This is for inquiries about customization. And then lastly, we have our Kintone Video Resources Library. So this is for onboardings, tutorials, deminars, and customer webinars. So if you're still unable to find the answers you need, you can contact live support by 1, opening a ticket. So you can do this a couple of ways. First, you can email support@kintone.com. You can also fill out the Contact Us form on our website. And then Kintone administrators also have the option of clicking Contact Us within your subdomain. So to do it from within your subdomain, you'd click the little question mark icon and then click Contact Us. So you can also find it from within Users and System Administration. So the Contact Us button is at the bottom. So I would say that contacting support via Contact Us in your subdomain is the best option, as this will let support know exactly who you are and exactly what subdomain you're coming from. Alternatively, you can also call our tech support line at 415-692-6546, extension 2. So now we'll cover what's supported by Kintone Live Support. So that would be the Kintone core product, built-in or native settings, our marketplace apps, and then also any authorized extensions and add-ons found on the add-ons page of our website. So to cover what's not supported, it's API and plugins, customization via JavaScript and CSS, webhooks, and integrations that are not listed on this page for add-ons. So do note anything that's not covered by live support, you can go check out the Developer Network. And you also have the option to hire a Kintone sales engineer. So if you'd like to do that, please contact your local account executive or send a message to support and we can get you in touch with the right person. And then lastly, we'll go over our support hours. So that's Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, excluding major U.S. holidays. And then any tickets or calls received outside of business hours will be sent to a mailbox and will take action the next working day. For a more detailed document, please visit the link above. Any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to support@kintone.com. And thanks for watching.